Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to reset MEATER probe. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to reset your MEATER probe here, well in this case there are a few things you need to do. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have or that you charge the probe for at least 8 hours in the MEATER block while the block is turned off. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to unpair the probe. So in this case, you want to go ahead and open up the MEATER app here and tap on the 3 dots option that you see at the top right corner of the app. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and basically look for My Connection, select it, and from then on, find the option that says MEATER probe block. Now, you want to go ahead and go to the left section or swipe left on the probe and tap the red X that you'll be seeing here. Then basically to delete it. Now, tap on yes to confirm, then just click on or tap on done. Now, next thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically start resetting the probe. So remove the probe from the charger, ensure it's not paired with any device like what we did before, and if the probe still doesn't reset, remove the battery from the base and let the probe's battery actually run out. So this will clear any residual memory in the base. And from then on, you go ahead and recharge and repair it. So once the probe is reset, recharge it for at least like 8 hours. So that's half of the time for it. So in this case, turn on the MEATER block and follow the pairing instructions again to reconnect the probe. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.